Daily math review number 2. Which table of values shows the relationship of y equals x plus 7? So let's see. If we take our x value and we add 7, is 1 plus 7, 7? Yes. 2 plus 7, that's 9, not 14. That's times 7. So this table is multiplying by 7. So that's not it. How about if I add 2 plus 7, 9, 10, or 2 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, you get 9, yes. 4 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yes. 14 would be 7 plus 7, yes. And 11 plus 7, 18, yes. Let's double check that it is not any of the other ones. That was pretty good there. Oh man. I don't like when I color outside the lines. Okay, so let's double check. 16 plus 7, whoa. That is not 9, nope. That's minus, that's subtracting 7. 14 plus 7, that's not, oh yeah, that's 21. 20 plus 7 is not 30 though, nope. So it is in fact B. Great job.